How are you? I think you all fine. Today we will discuss the double entry system, its feature, advantage and disadvantage. Student, double entry system actually very old system, you know very well. It starts from the human civilization, right? Let me discuss double entry system. So under double entry system, two-sided of every transactions are recorded, right? This system basically developed by the Lucas Pacioli, right? You know very well Lucas Pacioli is a Franciscan monk of the Italy. So he was developed double entry system, right? So first we will discuss the features. First feature is two parties. There must be two parties. One is buyer, second is seller. One is giver, second is receiver. Second feature of double entry system, every party is affected by opposite party, right? If one party purchasing the goods, then other party basically selling the goods. So action of one party is affected by the action of others. Third is affected at least two-sided. In this system, every information is affected at least two-sided. Recording of other party transactions. Under this system, basically we record the information of other parties, right? Benefit received. Basically, if we receive the benefit, it will record on debit side. If the benefit given by us, it will record on credit side. Let it suppose we receive the salary, we receive the cash, that means we receiving the benefit, cash will be debited and salary is credited because a document is given by us to the parties. Document is gone from us, that's why it is credited, and benefit in terms of cash we receiving, that's why it is debited. Every debit amount is equal to credit amount, right? Now student, now we discuss the advantage of double entry system. First is completed record. Under this system, complete record is maintained. I mean to say, personal account, real account and nominal accounts are maintained. Secondly, check on arithmetical accuracy. Under this system, numeric mistakes basically we can check because every debit amount is equal to every credit amount. Result of the business we can calculate by helping of trading and profit and loss account. We can find the profit of the business. Comparison of current year with the previous year. Student, we maintain or we make the comparison of current year result with the previous results. This system help us to reduce the chances of error in numerics. This system can find the cost of production by preparing the manufacturing account. If we make distinction between the gross profit and the net profit, then we can have a better plan or good administrative control. 8th, we can calculate the cost of closing stock. Student, lastly we will discuss the disadvantage of double entry system. So disadvantage, basically first is requirement of expert people. This system cannot be maintained by every people. This system need very expert people like chartered accountant. Second is lengthy process. Under this system we maintain the journal, ledger, trial balance, trading account, P&L, balance sheet. Lot of documents are required to prepare. That's why this system is very lengthy. So when we appoint the expert people, they want a higher salary. So that is why this system is called expensive system. Student, I think you understand well. Next video we will meet with next video. Thank you.